Limited liability is a fundamental concept in business that protects your personal assets if your company faces financial trouble or legal claims. At its core, this concept acts as a legal shield, separating your private life from your business activities. Under limited liability, your personal liability is generally capped at the amount you have invested in the business. This protection creates a clear wall between professional obligations and your own bank account, though it does not shield you from criminal wrongdoing. In a sole proprietorship, you have unlimited liability, meaning you are personally responsible for every single business debt. As shown here, forming structures like LLCs or corporations significantly lowers your exposure to business-related financial risks. Because the risk is manageable, more people feel comfortable starting new businesses, which drives economic growth. Understanding these legal structures is a key step in financial planning. Thanks for watching, and remember to consult a professional for specific advice.